Welcome back to Tap Tech, the place where you get honest, deep dive reviews into the latest and greatest tech gear. Today, we're taking a close look at something that's small in size but massive in power. Say hello to the Rog Nuc 2025. The ROG, short for Republic of Gamers, is known for high-performance gaming hardware. And Nuc, or Next Unit of Computing, has always been about cramming full desktop power into tiny machines. The Rog Nuc 2025 brings those two worlds together into something that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's sleek. It's powerful. And it's ready for just about anything. Let's start with the design. The Rog Nuc 2025 is compact, futuristic, and undeniably premium. With a mix of matte black, brushed metal, and aggressive RGB accents, this isn't your ordinary mini PC. It's designed to be the centerpiece of any desk setup, whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just love beautiful tech. Despite its small footprint, the build quality is top tier. It feels solid, durable, and ready for action. Now, don't let the size fool you. Inside this mini chassis, you'll find some serious horsepower. The Rog Nuc 2025 comes equipped with Intel's new Core Ultra processors, built on the Meteor Lake architecture. These CPUs offer a hybrid design, combining performance cores, efficiency cores, and now, integrated AI cores. This means better multitasking, smarter workload management, and advanced AI-powered features across the board, and it doesn't stop there. You can configure the Rog Nuc 2025 with up to an NVIDIA RTX 4070 laptop GPU. That's right, a desktop-class GPU in a compact form factor. Whether you're gaming at 1440p, rendering 4K video, or running machine learning models, this setup has more than enough power. DLSS 3, ray tracing, frame generation, it's all supported, and it works beautifully. Thermal performance is where many compact PCs fall short, but not here. The Rog Nuc 2025 uses a vapor chamber cooling system, dual fans, and a smart airflow layout that keeps things cool and quiet. Even under full load, it stays impressively silent. It doesn't throttle. It doesn't overheat. And it doesn't make your room sound like a wind tunnel. Let's talk performance. In real-world gaming scenarios, the Rog Nuc 2025 shines. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, and Starfield run smooth at high settings. With DLSS and ray tracing enabled, you can easily hit high frame rates without compromising visual fidelity. For competitive esports games like Valorant or Apex Legends, expect sky-high FPS even at ultra settings, but it's not just about gaming. This system is also a powerhouse for creators. Video editing, photo processing, 3D rendering, it all feels fast and fluid. Tools like Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, and Blender benefit greatly from the combination of a powerful CPU, RTX GPU, and fast DDR5 RAM. With up to 64 GB of memory, multitasking becomes effortless. Speaking of memory and storage, the Rog Nuc 2025 doesn't skimp. You can install up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is blazing fast and future-proof. On the storage side, it supports dual M.2 NVMe SSDs using PCIe Gen 4. Load times are nearly instant, file transfers are snappy, and your entire workflow becomes more efficient. Let's talk connectivity. This is where the Rog Nuc 2025 really flexes. You get Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 7, 2.5G Ethernet, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, USB-C, and plenty of USB-A ports. Whatever peripherals you have, monitors, external drives, VR headsets, you can plug them in without issue. And with Wi-Fi 7, your wireless experience is fast, stable, and future-ready. What about customization? That's covered too. The Rog Nuc 2025 includes Armoury Crate software, which lets you control everything from RGB lighting to fan curves and performance profiles. Want a silent mode for work? Done. Want max performance for gaming? Just a click away. It's intuitive, powerful, and tailored to both beginners and enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about one of its most underrated features, modularity. Unlike most mini PCs that lock you into fixed hardware, the Rog Nuc 2025 is surprisingly upgradable. You can easily swap RAM and SSDs, and in some configurations, even the GPU module is replaceable. This gives it a longer lifespan and better value for your investment, but let's take a moment to compare it with gaming laptops. Why choose this over a laptop? Simple: thermals, noise, and upgradability. Laptops throttle under sustained loads. They're louder. And they're harder to upgrade. The ROG Nuc 2025 avoids all of those issues. You get full desktop-level performance with none of the compromises, and here's the kicker: it's small. Really small. Smaller than a console. It fits on any desk, in any room, even in a backpack. You can take it to a LAN party, use it as a portable workstation, or mount it behind a monitor for a clean setup. The possibilities are endless now. About the software experience. The ROG Nuc 2025 ships with Windows 11, but it's also fully compatible with Linux. Developers, coders, and power users will appreciate the flexibility. Whether you're building games, deploying code, or working in AI environments, this machine adapts to your needs. Speaking of AI, let's touch on that again. The Core Ultra chips bring integrated AI engines to the table. These NPUs handle background blurs, voice enhancement, image upscaling, and more, without bogging down your CPU or GPU. It's the future of computing, and it's already here. And now let's talk about real-world productivity. Whether you're editing YouTube videos, working on graphic design, or developing software, the ROG Nuc 2025 keeps up without a hitch. Chrome tabs, Adobe Suite, Unreal Engine, it juggles them all effortlessly. And it does so without becoming hot or noisy. Build quality is excellent. From the outer shell to the internal layout, everything feels premium. There are no creaks, no rattles, no cheap parts. Just solid construction and a thoughtful internal layout that makes upgrades and maintenance easy. To RGB lighting is tasteful, not overwhelming. You can sync it with other ROG gear or turn it off completely. The lighting adds personality without becoming a distraction. It's a small touch, but it matters. Now let's talk price. The base model with a Core Ultra 7 and RTX 4060 starts around $1,299. Step up to the Core Ultra 9 and RTX 4070 with maxed out RAM, and you're looking at close to $2,000. Yes, that's premium pricing, but this is a premium product. For what you get: top-tier performance, compact design, modularity, and exceptional build, it's worth it. There are cheaper mini PCs out there, but none that deliver this level of power, cooling, and flexibility. So who is this for? Gamers who want a high-end setup without a huge tower. Creators who need fast rendering and multitasking. Students or professionals who want a clean, portable workspace. And anyone who appreciates great design and smart engineering. What about longevity? ASUS has a solid track record with firmware updates, BIOS improvements, and driver support. The ROG Nuc 2025 will stay relevant for years. And with its modular design, you can upgrade key components as needed. IT also makes a fantastic emulation machine. PS3, Switch, Wii U, this little box runs them all smoothly. If you're into retro gaming, it's a dream setup. Pair it with a wireless controller and enjoy, and it's whisper quiet. The thermal solution is so effective that fan noise is minimal, even under load. You can work late at night, record voiceovers, or just enjoy a distraction-free gaming session. Let's not forget about streaming. With OBS, a webcam, and a good mic, the ROG Nuc 2025 becomes a streaming powerhouse. It has the ports, the power, and the stability. It's plug and play for content creators. The ROG Nuc 2025 is a turning point. It's proof that small PCs don't have to compromise. You can have power, silence, flexibility, and beauty, all in one compact device. It's ideal for anyone who wants more from their tech without sacrificing space or style. So here's the verdict: the ROG Nuc 2025 is one of the most exciting releases of the year. It redefines what a mini PC can be. It's small. It's powerful. It's smart. And it's built to last. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, a developer, or just someone who wants the best gear, this is a machine worth your attention. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe to Tap Tech. We've got more reviews, tips, and hands-on breakdowns coming your way. Drop a comment below if you want us to compare this with other mini PCs or gaming laptops. Until next time, this is Tap Tech, where we bring the future to your screen. See you in the next one.